Coco Martin po, certified Argentina corned beef lover. Kasi naman, ang hibla, malaman. Made with 100% real beef pa. At masarap talaga. Hinahanap-hanap kita. Sarap ng Argentina. Sa presyong abot kaya, promise. Busog ang araw-araw ko. As part of 3 complete meals, sarap na hahanap-hanapin sa malapit na tindahan o grocery. Bili na!
Nawawala ang stress kapag refreshing breaks halika na. I can't wait to be with you. San Miguel flavored beer na to. Apple lemon lychee, refreshing di sweet na gusto ko. Apple lemon lychee, San Miguel flavored beer na to.
Enjoy the refreshing sweet flavors of San Miguel flavored beer, apple, lemon, and lychee with just the right beer buzz.
San Miguel flavored beer na to. Life refreshing is sweet with San Miguel flavored beer.
Drink responsibly.
Bili na ng San Miguel flavored beer. Saktong pa-sweet lang with just the right beer buzz. Available in apple, lemon, and lychee. Drink responsibly.
San Miguel Pale Pilsen presents, isa, dalawa, tawa.
Coco, patulong naman sa mga tanong namin, oh.
Game.
Anong tawag sa beer na nakakatawa?
Ano?
Eddie Biro!
Ano naman tawag sa beer na kumakanta?
Ano?
Eddie Beer It!
Anong tawag sa beer na nauubos?
Alam ko yan. Di sa beer!
Tumpak! Kaya bili na tayo ng San Miguel Pale Pilsen.
San Miguel Pale Pilsen, sarap laging kasama. Drink responsibly.
Ang San Miguel Pale Pilsen, 320 ml, 45 SRP lang. Ang Grande, 115 SRP lang. Bili na!
Drink responsibly.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.